Alright, so right here in the lab, we'll go ahead to the start menu and we'll go to settings. Under the settings, we want to look at update and security. Then on the left pane, we'll go to Windows security. I want to locate virus and threat protection, and we'll quickly do a quick scan just to make sure we do not have any current threat on the PC. Okay, so the scan is done. What we want to do is to scroll down and we want to locate manage settings under virus and threat protection. And here we want to scroll down and locate exclusions. Here we're going to add or remove exclusions. So according to the tags, we have certain files we want to exclude. So click on this and exclude file. And then under the file, we want to go to the D drive because we're going to locate cat.jpg, and that is under the graphics, and we're going to select it, and that has been excluded. We'll go ahead and exclude a process which is welcome.src. Now the reason for this is so that when the antivirus begins to scan, it's going to exclude all of these files and folders so that it won't take them as virus, thereby deleting them. So that is the main purpose of exclusion. So go ahead and check for update. We're going to take note of the current security intelligence version, because I think we're going to answer some questions with it. So we'll go ahead and answer the first question, and this is going to be 1.229.426.0. And the next question after the update was the current security intelligence. So I'm going to do an update, and this is the current intelligence version. So I'll go ahead and select this. I'll go ahead and score lab, and everything is correct. Now, if you find this video to be helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Should in case you have an issue with any of your courses at all, tech courses, either you have become too busy and you couldn't attend to the courses, the assignments, the labs, and the rest, and you're not sure you're going to come out with an A at the end of the day, you can reach out to me through WhatsApp, and I'm going to help you sort that out and make sure you come out with an A in all of your tech courses. Just reach out to me on WhatsApp and I'll help you sort it out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.